After the introduction of Bhagavad Gita as it is, here chapter 1, observing the armies on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Text 1 is Dhrtarastra Yuvaka Karma Kshetre Kurukshetre Maveta Yuva Yutsava Mamaka Pandavas Kaivakim Akurvata Sanjaya. Dhrtarastra said, O Sanjaya, after my sons and the sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do? Bhagavad Gita is a widely read theistic science summarized in the Gita Mahatmya, glorification of the Gita. There it says that one should read Bhagavad Gita very scrutinizingly with the help of a person who is a devotee of Sri Krishna and try to understand it without personally motivated interpretations. The example of clear understanding is there in the Bhagavad Gita itself, in the way the teaching is understood by Arjuna, who heard the Gita from Lord itself directly. If someone is fortunate enough to understand the Bhagavad Gita in that line of disciple succession without motivated interpretation, then he surpasses all studies of Vedic wisdom and all scriptures of the world. One will find in the Bhagavad Gita all that is contained in the other scriptures. But the reader will also find things which are not to be found elsewhere. That is the specific standard of the not to be found. That is the specific standard of the Gita. It is the perfect theistic science because it is directly spoken by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna. The topics discussed by Dhrtarastra and Sanjaya. Dhrtarastra is one who is the king and who is blind. Sanjaya is sent by Vyasa Maharshi to tell the story to Dhrtarashtra as described in the Mahabharata. From the basic principle for this great philosophy, it is understood that the philosophy evolved on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, which is the sacred place of pilgrimage from the immemorial time of the Vedic age. It was spoken by the Lord when he was present personally on this planet for the guidance of mankind. The word Dharmashetra, a place where religious rituals are performed, is significant because on the battlefield of the Kurukshetra, the Supreme Personality of Godhead was present on the side of Arjuna. Dhrtarashtra, the father of Kurus, was highly doubtful about the possibility of his son's ultimate victory. In his doubt, he inquired from his secretary Sanjaya, what did they do? He was confident that both his sons and the sons of his younger brother Pandu were assembled in the field of Kurukshetra for a determined engagement of the war. Still, his inquiry is insignificant. He did not want a compromise between the cousins and the brothers, and he wanted to be sure of the fate of his sons on the battlefield. Who is the son of Dhrtarastra? Kauravas. Pandavas. Because the battle was arranged to be fought at Kurukshetra, which is mentioned elsewhere in the Vedas as a place of worship, even for the denizens of the heaven, the influence of the holy place on the battle. He knew very well that this influenced Arjuna and the sons of Pandu favorably because by nature they were all virtuous. Sanjaya was a student of Vyasa, and therefore by mercy of Vyasa Sanjaya was able to envision the battlefield of Kurukshetra even while he was in the room of Dhrtarastra. And so, Dhrtarastra asked him about the situation of the battlefield. Both the Pandavas and the sons of Dhrtarashtra belonged to the same family that Dhrtarashtra is disposed therein. He deliberately explained his sons as Kurus, and he separated the servant from the family heritage. One can thus understand the specific position of Dhrtarashtra in his relationship with his nephews, the son of Pandu. Pandu is brother of Dhrtarashtra. As in married field, the unnecessary plans are taken out, so it is expected from the very beginning of these topics that in the religious field of Kurukshetra, the father of the religion, Sri Krishna, was present. The unwanted plans like Dhrtarashtra and Duryodhana and others headed by Yudhishthira would be established by the Lord. This is the significance of the word Dharmakshetra and Kurukshetra, apart from the historical and Vedic importance. Dharmakshetra means the Dharmasthapan should be done, and Kurukshetra is for fighting, war. This is the end of the text 1. Let's see the text 2 in the another video. Thank you. Hare Krishna.